you've never run before but want to lose weight, this video is for you. Forget complicated training plans and extreme workouts. The secret to burning fat through running is not speed. It's staying in right heart rate zone, especially zone 2. Today, I'll explain what zone 2 is, why it's so powerful for weight loss, and how you can start with just 5 simple steps, even if you've never run a day in your life. When you run, your body operates at different heart rate zones, from easy to all-out effort. Zone 1. Very light, like a slow walk. Zone 2. Light, steady effort. This is the fat-burning zone. Zone 3. Moderate, breathing gets heavier. Zone 4. Hard, short bursts, not sustainable for long. Zone 5. Maximum, sprinting, all-out effort. Here's the thing. Most people run too fast and end up in zone 3 or 4. They get tired quickly, burn out, and quit. But if you stay in zone 2, your body learns to use fat as the main fuel, not sugar. That's how you burn fat efficiently, improve stamina, and lose weight, without feeling exhausted. Zone 2 running means your heart rate is around 60 to 70% of your max heart rate. For most beginners, that's when you can still talk in short sentences, but breathing is a little heavy. If you can't talk, you're running too fast. If you can sing, you're going too slow. This pace teaches your body to burn fat, not carbs, and helps you build an endurance base that makes running enjoyable instead of painful. Now, let's get practical. If you're overweight or just starting out, here's a simple 5-step Zone 2 running plan to build your stamina safely. Walk for 40 to 45 seconds. Run for 15 to 20 seconds. Repeat this 20 to 30 times. That's about 20 to 30 minutes total. Gradually increase your running time. Decrease your walking time until you can run continuously for 20 to 30 minutes without stopping. This is how you build your Zone 2 base, slowly, safely, and sustainably. Your body adapts, your heart gets stronger, and fat burning becomes easier. Zone 2 running doesn't just burn fat while you run, it trains your metabolism to keep burning fat even at rest. It also strengthens your heart, lowers stress hormones, and improves insulin sensitivity, all key for weight loss and long-term health. And the best part? It's sustainable. You won't dread your workouts, you'll actually enjoy them. So if you've been struggling to lose weight, stop worrying about distance or speed. Focus on consistency and staying in Zone 2. Start with walking and short runs. Let your body adapt. In a few weeks, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and more confident, both physically and mentally. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed health and fitness videos. Remember, fitness isn't about how fast you go, it's about how long you can keep going. Stay consistent, stay in Zone 2, and the results will follow.